Hey guys, what's up? I hope you're doing well. My name is Alex, I'm your favorite artist. And here on this YouTube channel, of course, I'm talking about my art and artwork, and sometimes I'm making lesson. And today, exactly this day, when I'm making a lesson specially for you. And you can see I'm not in my studio anymore. I'm in Jersey City, hooray! I moved here again, and I want to share with you how make abstract artwork. Simple, small one, and just small paper for explain. Actually, you can use big one if you want, and I recommend use big one because actually abstract art looks much better if you use big one. Of course, it's not necessary, but you know it looks better. So I'm making a workshop like this before, but I make it with pastel. You can see this on my channel. Today I use acrylic. I cover floor by packet because you know it's all dirty process. This from yogurt, and I put water here, and also I use this thing like a palette. It's how make everything simple. You can guess. So it's not a cookies. I just use this for save my paint, my acrylic paint here, and brushes and everything. You know, it's a very simple and good idea. So actually I told you before about composition, and you know, in any abstract artwork, composition is most important thing, and it's one of most important thing, not only in abstract art, by the way, it's in any art. So do you remember these rules about golden radio and everything? If don't, watch my different video or just continue watching this one, and I told you a little bit again about this. And of course, don't forget thumbs up, subscribe, share the video with everyone. I really appreciate, guys, so lots of new subscribers. I love everyone, guys. So do you understand what I'm doing? A golden radio is a asymmetric way how make harmonic asymmetric way. So the point is, we're making like this. Actually, it's more complicated when I told you now, but for today it's enough. And we're making like that one, and we can see three part, and then here, here and here we have a few points. This point is a focus point for our composition. So I mean, focus point for you can be here, 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 or here, or maybe you can use few of they. For beginner, I'm advise using just one. It's more easy way. So it's we're starting with sketches. Of course, later we can starting with acrylic, or maybe just now starting with acrylic. It depends what you want to make. Maybe you want to make more expressionism thing. In this case, you use painting right now, or maybe you want to make more geometric abstract art, and of course, in this case, you starting with pencil. Or actually, it's your choice. It's absolutely your choice, as your wishes. So next step, we're starting use colors. And colors is also extremely important for abstract art. Actually, for any painting, but for abstract art, it's a very, very big deal. You know, it's very important how these colors looks with each other. And I decide in first use dark blue, light blue, and violet, and of course lots of white. Actually, you can use just black and white. Of course, it's possible too. It's your choice. It's your decision how you want to make this. Maybe I change my mind later and put inside maybe little red or a little yellow. I don't decide yet. So let's starting to do this. I'm starting with my focus point, but it's not necessary exactly. So the focus point, it's a point the most important in your composition. It can be anything, and you can make it more colorful or more complicated by drawing, whatever. So in general, it should be like this. So you can see I'm mixing color and use here few type of blue and few type of violet, and mixing this together and make it in different way. You can see. So I make it like abstract expressionism background, but it's not done yet. So for some artists it's already done, but not for me. I decide continue this. Now you cannot see here any focus point, and it's just because it's just background. Because it's just background, I'm just understand where this happened. Actually, it's not necessary have a focus point. It's just one of the millions way. But with focus point, it looks much better. You can see I make with V lines. I'm always make this because I like V lines. I make V lines with lots of different ways, and it's not a one way. You know, for me it can be lots of different ways. Actually, it's good for you sometimes. For some artwork, it's good if you making some levels dry. It's not necessary, but it's good for you. Now I'm making short workshop for you, so I don't mention, but it's actually it's not necessary. You can make a choice how it's good for you. So I continue, and you can see I'm making all this carefully with more smaller brush. Actually, it's I'm always do this. It's not necessary because lots of people like more expression thing. I don't. I like sometimes I like expression thing. Of course, it depends what mood I have today. Actually, I like everything sometimes and sometimes don't. So I make it more carefully, and now you can see where its focus point is, because now you understand how it's going. And I continue on just a little bit for demonstrate this. The point is not repeat a way after me. The point is create your ways. So it's not a way how we're making step by step. Nope, we don't do this here. Here we're just watching one of the millions way how we can make abstract art, and then repeat abstract art in your way, how your spirit told you, how your subconscious told you, how your feeling told you. It depends who are you. So it's a very personal thing, you know, like really very personal. I don't know, maybe only abstract art so personal, and all other thing it's not so, because it's a really very spirituality thing, really think what it shows you subconscious, and you know, it's every person think about different. For some people it's like a meditation, for some people it's like they thinking what in subconscious, for some people it's just a feeling, but it's not just a feeling, you know. It's also a big deal. So it's in general it's a thing like this. And of course, because I'm professional artist, I cannot don't thinking about composition and about colors and about everything. So it's like this. It looks good. It looks good, but I don't done yet. So you can see how I make this. I almost done. Maybe I continue a little bit with white. I don't decide yet. I have a feeling about this. I should put here a little more white. So guys, I done with this, and you can see how it looks like now. I think it's really good one. Also, I think it's good if we put it on format and everything. So the point is, in abstract art, you follow your feeling, you follow what's inside you. Don't follow after me or after any books or whatever. You follow what's inside you. But if you want to make it more interesting for other people and more professional, make something about little bit about composition, about how colors looks like with each other, and trying to cooperate your feeling and your mind with this. So guys, I hope you like this video. If so, you know what you should to click. Not should, of course, but I'm really appreciate if so. And I like if you subscribe and share the video with everyone. Bye guys, love everyone.